The second major outcome of the war is increased American involvement in Europe. Up through this period, America has largely had an isolationist policy, saying that Europe can do whatever it wants, it's not getting involved. And mainly because America is like, okay, well, we've seen what happens with European fighting with European wars. It just doesn't go well. America saw what happened with the French Revolution. America does not want that to happen. So they're like, yeah, we're just not getting involved. Have fun with that. But with World War I, America starts to get involved and starts to become a world player in Europe. It starts to demand policy and starts to be a major architect from Europe. And we're really going to see that with the Treaty of Versailles, in which the U.S. was one of the big brokers of the Treaty of Versailles, but also one of the people who was one of the key players who was trying to shape the Treaty of Versailles. The biggest outcome of the war was the Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles was a treaty that was largely negotiated by the Americans. And it was a way to punish the Germans. And there's no doubt about it. It was a way to punish the Germans for the war. On the slide is a quote that goes over this, and it states the reason for this punishment is because of, quote, consequence of war imposed upon them by the aggression of Germany and her allies. So Germany takes on most of the war debt. It has to pay reparations for the war. It also has to demilitarize. The Treaty of Versailles is going to set into effect a series of events that will lead to World War II. Germany will be broke, and it will be angry that it shouldered all of World War I debt. It's going to be so angry by this debt. And that's going to lead to increased nationalism in Germany and actually in Italy as well. And it's going to lead to a hidden, initially, military buildup to an overt military buildup, which will lead to Germany determined to get revenge in World War II.